Hey guys, just wanted to make a really quick follow-up video to my first video that I made a few days ago showing my new X1 Carbon 6 Gen with FreeBSD. I said in that video that I had no success getting my wireless working. I was saying that there was a problem with the IWM driver or the firmware, whatever it was. It turns out that there was actually nothing wrong with it at all. It works perfectly. There was actually a problem with my router, so I just want to correct that. I'm not using the dongle anymore. I'm using the inbuilt stock wireless device that came with the laptop. So wireless works perfectly out of the box in FreeBSD as well. The other thing I wanted to say was that I had said that that the headphone jack on the right side of the laptop was not working either. That when I plugged in headphones, it would mute the internal speakers, but I'd get no sound out of the headphones. And I said it was an easy to fix problem. Well, I fixed that problem, so I just wanted to quickly show you how I did that. I'll just open this up. So all I had to do was I had to add 3 lines to my here, let me. To my device hints file, these last 3 lines down here. Now, actually, the first line here is for the headphones. The other 2 lines, what I discovered was that the headphone jack is actually not a headphone jack; it's a headset jack. So it's actually a microphone and headphone jack. So I had to the first line here that I added, which you can copy if you've got the same laptop. Is to correct the AS number, is to actually make the AS number the same as the internal speakers, so that when I plug in my headphones, you get sound. You get sound out of it. The other ones, the other 2 lines here are to basically give both of the microphones, because there's 2 microphones. There's the internal microphone that I'm recording on now, and there's the headset microphone. And so it's just to give them both the same AS number as well. And how I got that this information was I had to do a verbose boot. So if you when you're booting into FreeBSD, you can press 6 to get options, and then you select verbose boot, and then it will dump a bunch of text, and that will give you the information that you need. And then I saved it so I can show you what it is. So if I and what you want to do is you want to look for HDA. And by the way, I'm getting a lot of this unexpected, unsolicited response. I think that's the HDMI audio, which I haven't looked into yet. So this is the section here that you want to look for. Basically just this part here. And you'll see that there are the first 3 columns. The third column here is the AS column. And you want to look at these numbers here. You basically want the internal speaker to be the same as, and where is it here? You want the internal speaker to be the same as the headphones, and you want the microphones to be the same as well. And so that's all I've done. If I go back to, you see this is the correct output, but before it was these numbers were different. So that's it. So if I just I'll show you there again, that's all I had to do to add that to the device hints and just reboot, and it works perfectly. So yeah.